Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix Xbox app's sign-in error on Windows 11 completely. So let's get started. First, go to Search and type Date and Time Settings. Over here, open it and make sure your time is correct. After that, turn on Set Time Automatically. Then scroll down and click on Sync Now. Over here, make sure your date and time are properly synced. Then check if the issue is fixed. After that, if it still does not work, go to Search and type Xbox. Then open App Settings. Over here, scroll down and click on Terminate. Then click on Repair and wait for it to complete. After that, check if the issue is fixed. Then, if it still does not work, click on Reset. Over here, confirm reset again, then wait for the process to finish and check your Xbox app. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.